I look crazy. Bro, I just had to drink some tea. All done. Took 2 of these. Just finished editing my Sweet 16 vlog. So yeah, just uploaded that. So go tune in if you haven't already. Currently have a hot rag on my stomach. I'm going through it this morning, y'all. But you know, my family's gonna take care of me. Fish boy just woke up. Kaden. So yeah, I woke up at like 8 something and I immediately started editing. Now I'm about to edit the vlog from yesterday. I still like do no homework assignments. I just keep seeing this do, this do, this do. I'm like, yo, I'm trying to text everybody that I know. Send me some answers, but nobody do the work. So I'm trying to at least get this history assignment and this chemistry assignment, and then I'm good. Cause my English, I already got a good grade in her class, but you know, my grade could be like this and go like that in a minute. And plus, she don't grade the work, so I don't know if I'm gonna do that one. Yeah, I think we're probably going to the beach today. I'm gonna get cute still, even though I can't go in, but I'm gonna put a cute little outfit. Cause I'm not about to make this period run my whole trip. And then yeah, I'm gonna just pick up the vlog whenever I'm doing something. I'm about to eat some cereal. It's in the freezer right now. If you know, no girl. That's all. We have to eat my cereal now. So yeah, I'm about to start editing this other video. If you're still not doing nothing once I finish editing, then I'm gonna do some homework at least, cause I'm not about to try to fail. So, and I still need to wash my face and brush my teeth. So I'm gonna do that after I eat. So yeah, I'm gonna go at it. Oh, yeah, I just finished my breakfast. I feel so sick, like literally. I feel like I'm gonna throw up. And I don't know. I just try to go to sleep.
Can we do a TikTok, y'all?
Hey y'all, so we at the hotel. Oh.
Wait, you be getting views?
King. Hi vlog. Hey.
We're vlogging. Hey, we're
Yeah.
in Grenada. Peace out.
We at the peace out.
Have you seen Anthony? No,
Yeah. We're at the resort right now. It's so pretty. Where Chippy at?
You're not lying.
It's not. It's real quiet over here.
I don't feel like
I'm telling you, this island is so quiet. I love you too.
You want to put this on? Kitty, you want to put this
No.
on? Yeah, that's cute. Hi, how are you? Hello. I'm Auntie.
Okay, Van.
Okay, where's mom? She's somewhere. Oh my
But
god.
these are all aunties and cousins.
Oh my god, I'm so glad you guys could make it.
Oh my god,
All your friends came, all your family came.
She Aggie, she wanna take
This is Taylor's grandmother, guys.
ahead of my vlog.
You're
I'm being rude.
hold up. Yeah.
This is not that. Talking about hold up. Kai being rude to me, y'all. It's okay though. Why are you being rude to me in my vlog?
I'm enjoying Grenada today.
You gonna love y'all gonna
This is about to piss me off. I need to ride.
yeah. Y'all gonna love
Yo, I
this
should show y'all
beach.
I should have showed y'all the KFC is literally right next door.
Y'all gonna
But
love this beach.
it's okay. No, it's not.
No,
No,
I'm saying that's the
Monday we'll come back to the beach.
Okay.
Wait,
so,
auntie.
y'all.
Why for
Yeah.
food? Cause she's probably gonna
It's
I
lit.
could probably get the
Lit.
drink. I think we can do the food. But the food is gonna be just like.
We lit. So
But that's easy.
yeah, I didn't even edit. After I finished eating, I went right to sleep. My stomach was killing me. Cause you know these pants. Oh, check this out today. Yeah. Giving body yaddy. Alright. Y'all see that? She don't. Ah, look at Fish Boy. They were here drinking the drink. It's apple juice, y'all. I promise.
No, you like you used to.
Rude boy.
Go to the pool.
So rude, y'all.
We go in the pool.
Y'all, we about to go to KFC. Y'all see that? KFC, what? Or don't play with them. Hey, y'all, I'm eating KFC. It's spicy. I don't know what. Yeah, it's spicy. What was y'all talking about?
What Taylor? Oh my god. The muscadel?
Y'all look crazy. Then when we go home, they gonna make pasta. Taxi. Oh, taxi machine. What time is it? That's not late.
Something that's strong.
Anything? You think they taste better than Jamaica? Wow.
I don't like Jamaica.
You don't.
Jamaica or KFC, but what's Miss Villa Mascota from home?
That's the first I heard anybody say that.
This tastes good.
No, Taylor said she don't like Jamaican KFC.
Like,
It's not. Like,
it is way better than what you get in America than anywhere else that I have KFC.
I don't get chicken there. I get the popcorn chicken.
Oh, I get the
Well, then
tenders.
you forget the chicken, then you will know this. But
I know
this
that the
chicken
chicken
tastes
is
good.
I get the what's the name?
Jamaica have
Oh yeah, when they had the wings, those wings are good.
Yeah, that's the best thing KFC ever sold in America.
Where? Up here, wings?
America. Yeah, the wings, the barbecue wings, but the wings they got now is disgusting.
Are your glasses that Kayla?
The original don't hit as much as the spicy.
I need to pee. Mosquito, they might come out. You think all them Australians would not have mosquito?
They still outside.
Because they're supposed to spray these places.
Yeah, but the mosquitoes still can come.
Like tourist resorts,
Yep.
they normally spray them.
Even when we spray in the backyard, it still be mosquitoes. Yeah, the original definitely.
We not spray it, but them have the something with them
Spray in the air?
Yeah.
The what's the name? The spicy tastes way better.
I want to taste some patty up here.
Them have patty.
Mom,
You
no,
want
that's
this?
mine. Yo, get the one in the corner. No, get that one in the corner. There's 2 pieces of chicken left.
They got patty.
Yeah, Chinese and
Yeah.
They got it. They got ackee and saltfish.
Wait, you say what? You say what? The people were staring at us like we're crazy when we was crossing the street. Like the little
Go
kids.
to KFC.
And then this man, he let us go. I was like, couldn't be Jamaica. They stopped for us. And then this taxi person, they said, come. I said, no, we're going to cross the street. And it was a little boy too. And then that's when they drove off. They really want to ride the horse. It's so dark now. The day go by so fast. Like,
Not the one the other house.
yeah.
Time check around.
No, really, because this was like we were there for so long yesterday. Because we wasn't doing nothing. But watch when y'all go home and start cook. The time about to go.
What
y'all cook last night?
Nothing.
We not gonna cook, but when me and daddy bring food.
We was gonna make booty.
Who
The
brought
guy, Tony.
Oh.
He brought the soup and the fried chicken on the back. Oh, you go, what's it there?
They were asking for you.
I know y'all missed me, see? Chip is at his room.
That's where you just came from?
In there?
I was on the balcony.
Yeah.
Shanice and Kaden.
They
Right,
ride the
Right,
horse.
already went on already.
When they finish riding their horse.
There's 2 more pieces of chicken left, one spicy, one original.
Are we? Is Tony gonna come get us or
I don't know.
Yeah, so that's what I'm saying. If Ashley wanna come, he could pick up Ashley, come get us and bring us.
Ask if Tony out there with my wife, I call it. Call back. That is that chick.
Hey vlog, we got a new guest in the vlog.
That's me.
What up, gangsta?
Gang. We made it back home, y'all. Flex
What's
is
she
so
making
nice.
for this?
What?
Tell your vlog what she making.
Oh yeah. She's making my favorite pasta in the whole world. Because if y'all know me, y'all know I love pasta and seafood, but I like pasta a little more. And she's going to do it for me because she likes me. And she's doing all my cravings. She just bought me so much candy. I'm going to show y'all. So sweet. So sweet. Let me show y'all. She bought me all my favorite candies. Dairy this. Wait, what is this chocolate called? It's called Cadbury. Cadbury. My favorite chocolate. I don't even know what it's called, but that M&M's a Kit Kat. And I'm about to call my grandma so I can brag to her that I got our favorite candy. Start cooking. Oh, Kayla's over there dying. What is it?
I don't know.
Why you cough?
It's a smell like
Chemical? No, don't bring that to me. You over there coughing like that. Alright, y'all, let me go call my grandma. Oh, they bought the Hennessy. The Hennessy.
with the antibiotics.
I don't know. Guys, it got stuff in here. Guys, this is apple juice. Because, you know, they would demonetize me.
And hydrate because
Yeah, I need to finish my water.
Drink responsibly.
yes.
She's not old enough to
Don't drink at all.
Yeah,
Don't drink at all. How about that? Don't drink.
cold water.
Yeah, there's some in the fridge or freezer. Nothing but the Bigfoot in the fridge. I'm screaming.
There's Bigfoot in the fridge.
It's right there on the side at the door.
Screaming.
That's funny.
Thank you.
Alright, y'all. I'm gonna go call my grandma so I can brag. Okay, later. Save it! He's drowning! I thought you was a big swimmer. Yo! I thought you were 6 feet, sir. Oh my God, look at the mole cut. Look at the mole cut though. Woo! How the water feel? It's cold? No, it feel good?
The twin them would have loved to be here.
Who is that? Say hi to my vlog, guys. Say hi to my vlog. They rude. They
Them supposed to have there. Although the mask out there.
You still drowning? Kaden, you touched the bottom?
Huh?
Did you touch the bottom?
Yeah.
Touch it again. You didn't seem that far down though.
I told you I'm 6 feet.
Why? You like 2 feet compared to that. Y'all, dinner is done. Woo! Done by the best. Me. Sorry. This the chef. And she about to share my plate. Woo!
It looks so good.
Yeah.
This is your favorite.
I was trying to call Kaden Fish though, but he ain't answering. I like the spinach.
You do?
Mm-hmm.
Oh, I'm so happy.
Yeah,
I'm gonna give you this one now.
Okay.
I'll put some chicken. And you can
Look at
put
that
cheese on the top.
You're not even.
Oh, I'm so, I don't even know the word. Amazed by this beauty.
All your videos gonna be like, what we looking at?
That's not true.
Why? That's so funny.
I'm trying to look myself. That's why. Yes. Gourmet. I mean, drinking with some water. Alright, let me try to talk to you. Hey y'all, just finished eating. The food wasn't good. I think I'm about to my stomach is starting to hurt again, but I don't want to take the pills yet because it's gonna put me to sleep, and I don't want to go to sleep right now. So I think I'm about to probably watching some Euphoria or something, or be on TikTok on my laptop. I wasn't gonna do schoolwork, but changed my mind. I was gonna edit, but changed my mind. Very much lazy, and plus I had to switch over the things, so I have to do that later. Cause I don't feel like it right now. I just want to relax. And plus, nobody from my class had done the work, so nobody could send me the answers or anything. So yeah, school is like out of the window, like throw it away. But yeah, y'all, my nail chipped. Both of the thumbs. I don't know why. That was real little. I wish this one would have been the little one, cause like, yeah, that's crazy. But alright, y'all, I'm gonna end this vlog soon. I think they're gonna watch a movie or something. So if they are, I'm gonna show y'all that, and then I'm in the vlog because it's already like 1 something. No, 1 something. Like 11 or 10 something. So the day about to be over. And yeah, see y'all whenever I'm doing something. Bye, guys. I look crazy right now, but my voice sounds crazy. But as I can see, I never got to finish the end of the vlog, but this is the end of the vlog, so I hope you guys like. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Y'all really not messing with my vlogs lately. I realized that. Like, my views been trash. My likes been trash. Like, come on now. What's going on? Y'all not messing with the vlogs? If y'all not messing with the vlogs, let me know in the comments. Because it is something new for me. But, yeah, this is the end of it. I hope you guys, enjoy. Make sure you like, comment, share, and subscribe. And stay tuned for more videos because we only going up from here. Still on the road to 200 subscribers. And remember, stay true to yourself and never switch for nobody else. Because, baby, that's not what we doing in 2022. We being ourselves, okay? Bye, y'all. Love y'all.